Hello everyone. I am trying to explain the relation between ionic mobility and molar ionic conductivity. This topic is deals with taking an example question that was asked in BSc Part 2nd 2018 Chemistry Honors exam. Question is that question number 5C. The ionic conductance of A plus and B minus ions are 63.4 and 83.6 respectively. Calculate their ionic mobilities. This was the question. Then first of all, we are trying to relate molar ionic conductivity and ionic mobility. First of all, we know what the molar what is a ionic mobility. Then we take two electrodes, positive and negative, that is anode cathode, and separated by L distance, and these two electrodes are connected with V potential difference, or these two electrodes are maintained with V potential difference, and this has an electrolytic solution AB type. AB type, A plus and B minus type electrolytic solution. Then what is ionic mobility? Here these are electrodes, and this is A plus ion, this is B minus ion. The separation distance between both electrodes are L, and potential difference between these two electrodes are V. Then ionic mobility is defined as the velocity of ion under unit potential gradient. What is the meaning of these terms? Then what is potential gradient? Then potential gradient between electrodes are defined as potential difference divided by length between the electrodes, or distance between the electrodes. That is, potential difference is V volt, and separation distance between two electrodes is L here. So V by L is the potential gradient. Now, what is ionic mobility? Then from definition, ionic mobility is defined as velocity under unit potential gradient. So velocity of any ion is divided by the potential gradient, gives ionic mobility of ions. So that from definition, the relation between ionic mobility, velocity and potential gradient is that, because if V is potential gradient, V by potential gradient is V by L, and velocity of A plus is V, then for V by L potential gradient, velocity is V, so unit V by L. This is the formula for the ionic mobility of A plus. That is velocity of A plus by potential gradient, velocity of ion and divided by volt by length. Volt by length, this is the potential gradient. So V divided by V by L. V by L, this is volt by L. So by multiplying L with V, we got V into L, that is velocity. This is velocity. This is velocity into length and by potential difference. This is the definition. So we know velocity is length by time. Now velocity is length by time. By putting this in this equation, we got U is equal to V L by V, where V, this stands for the velocity, this is length, and this is the potential difference. So we get by putting this L by T at a place of V, we got L square by T into V. L square by T, and this V can be replaced by IR, because Ohm's law V is equal to IR. So now this becomes L square and 1 by R. This is L square and 1 by R into I into T is 1 by Q. Q means charge. I into T, that is Q. This is charge. From definition, 1 by R is called G. G is conductance. So 1 by R here is removed by G. So U is equal to G L square and Q. Now we multiplying and dividing this by L. So this becomes G L square L by Q into L. Once again, we get the U, that is ionic mobility. Ionic mobility is equal to L square T into IR. Clear that? Now I am showing here by separation of these terms, L square 1 by R and 1 I into T 1 by Q. So IT is equal to Q. Here IT is equal to Q. So this becomes these terms, and now by definition 1 by R, that is 1 by resistance, is called the conductance. So L square G by Q. L square G by Q. And now these denominator and numerators are divided, and this numerator and denominator is multiplying by with L. Sorry. So finally we next page we get ionic mobility. U is equal to G into 1 by L into volume by Q. L square into L, that is LQ. LQ is volume. So G, that is ionic conductance, volume 1 by L, this is Q. Q is the charge. Now 1 by L is called G star, that is the cell constants. L is the separation distance between two electrodes. So G star, that is the cell constant. Here by replacing this 1 by L, we got G into G star, volume by Q, and so the ionic mobility now becomes G into G star, volume by Q, and G into G star is called conductivity, that is kappa, replaced by kappa. So G into G star, that is kappa. Now ionic mobility U becomes kappa into volume by Q, where Q is the charge, kappa is the conductivity, and V is the volume here. So multiplying numerator and denominator with per mole, numerator and denominator with per mole. So by definition, ionic conductivity, volume, per mole, this becomes ionic molar ionic conductivity, and charge of 1 mole, that is called Faraday. This is Faraday constant. Now if ions having valency more than 1, then simply this formula is written as lambda z into f, where z is the valency. Right? The valency is like if a 2 plus, then we take z is equal to 2, a plus, then z is equal to 1, and so on. So the final relation between molar ionic conductivity and mobility is lambda is equal to mu into z into f, mu into z into f, where lambda is ionic molar conductivity, u is the mobility, ionic mobility, z is valency, and f is the Faraday constant. This is the final relation that we use for solving the numerical questions. Now comes on the question, numerical question that was asked in 2018. The ionic conductivity for A plus ion is given here 63.4. Units are not given here, but we take centimeter square per second. This is a standard unit. So lambda plus, this is 63.4 centimeter per centimeter square and per second. And F is in coulomb, that is 96,487 coulomb. This is written as 9.6487 and into 10 to the power 4, that is in numerator becomes 10 to the power minus 4, and lambda is given 63.4. So and z plus is 1, hence by solving this by calculation, this becomes 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 4 centimeter square volt per volt and per second. This is the unit of mu, and now mu b minus is equal to lambda b minus z minus f. This is 83.6 given, and similar, that is Faraday constant. Faraday constant is 9.6487 into 10 to the power 4. This becomes 10 to the power 4 minus here, and centimeter square per volt per second. This is the unit of mu, and this becomes 8.7 into 10 to the power minus 4 centimeter square per volt per second. So final answer is mu for A plus, this is itna, and mu B minus, this is. Thank you.